Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about none other than Caspa itself. See what is happening with the price of Cas and of course what is yet to come. As far as development side of things go, there's a lot of stuff that's happening for Cas, of course, as far as the project is concerned in terms of development. And, obviously the KRC20 hype, a lot of people are excited, a lot of people are already saying that once KRC20 launches, you're going to see Caspa outpace Ethereum, but slow down. You guys know I keep it 100% realistic, but you just cannot compare Caspa right now with Ethereum or even Solana. Obviously, if you deep dive into it and you've done your due diligence and research, actually I have researched Caspa specifically, and you understand that potentially the tech could be better than Ethereum, and some say it's the best tech out there. But again, we're still in the very early stages. It has a lot of room to grow and a lot of room for errors and stuff. So of course the risk factor is really, really high in terms of that. But overall, as we know, if you've been following me on my channel, Caspa is one of the coins that has been, taking the cryptocurrency space by storm, and it has a lot of people's eyes on the project itself. And of course, KRC20 is going to be, another positive addition, and people will be able to launch meme coins, etc. And I think this could potentially bring more eyes on Cas. But anyways, that's more on the technical side of things. But let's take a look at the price. You guys can see this for yourself. We are seeing some coins up right now. At the same time, we're seeing some coins down, and that is due to the fact that Bitcoin did see a little bit of a minor pullback starting the week. Looking at the price of Caspa right now, pretty much at 14 cents, down 0.2% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. We're up 1% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap at $3.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $33.6 million. So as far as its price is concerned, it's holding really strong, to be quite frank with you. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening with the price. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So let's take a look at what's happening. So I want you guys to look at the dominance first. So the dominance has been pretty much going and falling down quite fast, and this is something I'm very excited about, as you guys know. But at the same time, if you've been in this crypto space, this thing can literally turn around in a snap of a finger. If Bitcoin sees like a massive flash crash due to some news that cannot be in our control, then of course dominance is just going to skyrocket once again. But as of now, I'm leaning more towards the bullish side. I think we did have those bearish momentum months. Even though we were in a bullish market, we did see that cool off period happen, which was very much needed. Leaning more towards a bullish few months to come rather than seeing more downside. But I could be completely wrong. Let's take it one step at a time, and that is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis. Looking at Bitcoin's price right now, as I've said earlier in the video, we did see Bitcoin see a little bit of a minor pullback starting off the week, sitting at pretty much $68,000. So looking quite good. I'm going to be honest, still looking quite good. But of course, at the same time, now what we need to know is we are sitting at key support levels, and if this support were to be lost, off we go down to $67,000, and that is honestly a realistic target that we could be aiming for right now. But let's take a look at what's happening with Caspa, because as I've mentioned to you guys right now earlier in the video, Caspa is holding really good as of now, and I'm going to be honest, it's looking like it wants to break out more towards the upside and re-enter the 61.8, which it hasn't entered back into since March of this year. And if you're looking at it on the daily time frame, as I've said to you guys before, we're seeing a beautiful price pattern playing out right now, and we could see something like this play out. Obviously a huge month coming ahead, a lot of development in the month of June, so obviously that could be a huge contender, and we have seen Caspa break out significantly in the past as well, and I think we could see that happening once again. But let's take a look at what's happening as far as the price is concerned on the closer time scale. So I'm going to switch to the hourly for you guys so we can really understand. So you can see this for yourself. This is a thing of beauty. I'm going to be quite honest with you guys, especially if you're looking at it from May 1st. Like, this is looking like it wants to break out, and it's not done. Seeing these gains, we can see this higher high, higher low pattern playing out, and this is exactly what you want to be seeing. And the way it's holding right now, the previous resistance coming into support right now, and that is what you want to see. And the fact that we're in the 61.8, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and again, this is what you want to be seeing. But of course, huge hurdles in our way, but I think Caspa will break out really easily if it has a little bit more momentum on its side, because let's face it, in order for us to re-enter the 78.6, only a 6.7% move, that's nothing. 6.7% move from where we currently are, and if we're able to break out of there, I think off we are to the races. But of course, we're going to take it one step at a time. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think about Caspa, but I am keeping a very close eye on Cas, and it's definitely showing me some bullish signs within its price. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.